What's up, everyone? Today I got a steal of the century, and I got this thing for only $90. This thing retails for about $341 online, or if not a bit more, but today I got it for $90. I'll show you guys inside this box of what I've got today, and here it is. I gotta fight this thing. Alright, here it is. For those who know about this brand, this is what it is. The 5 lug conversion kits are all here, all 4 for $90. This is a crazy steal I got today. I was like, nope, I gotta get this because I already know that this is a steal of the century, like once in a lifetime. For a price this low, man, it's crazy. But let's get to this. Let's open this up. All right, let me just see. Just open this. There we go. Brand new in the package. This is for the rear. This is the 5 lug hub that I'm going to install in my car. So no more 4 lugs. Now I'm finally going to 5 lugs for once. And this is actually pretty good. A steal of the century. So this right here is the rear itself. So I guess I could take this out of the package. This is with one hand, by the way. So I'm going to get this all up out of here. There we go. Look how good this thing looks, man. Tell me this thing doesn't look hot. This is it right here. And this is the hub back here itself. So installing this stuff should be easy though. So I saw like a video on how to put this on. Not too bad. I was like, oh, this is not bad. You can easily put this on. So yeah, this is going to be what I'll be installing. This is going to be so good. I can't wait. So this right there is the rear. And let's get one of the fronts over here. I'm gonna take all that out and put them on the bed. But let's get to it. Things like this or so. These are boxes. No, it's down here. It's down here. Give me a moment. There we go. This right here is for the fronts. For the front set only. So I'm gonna move this aside over here. And let's put down the fronts. There we go. This is the front itself. Looks wonderful. Not too bad for the price of $90 for all 4. This is wonderful. A good deal that I had to get today. So yeah. This is it right here. This is the front. And this is the rear. So this is pretty much both of them together, as you guys can compare if you guys want. That's how they all look like. But anyways, that's the end of today's video, everyone. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Or you can check out my channel if you guys want to see gaming content and some other stuff that I'll be doing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.